Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. It's been a really crazy time for everyone, but I hope that you are staying positive about everything and hopefully enjoying some sunshine or doing some things that you enjoy. So I'm going to go through and just briefly outline what the rest of class in STEM is going to look like this semester. So as you know, we're beginning fully online and classes will start on April 6th, which is 1 week from today. So today I just wanted to outline what to expect through STEM and give you some tips and tricks how to stay organized during your online learning. So first, what should you expect? So everything is going to be done through Google Classroom. So that's going to be my main communication tool with you all. So it's very, very important that you follow through Google Classroom, and you can leave comments if you're confused about an assignment or questions you might have. But all projects are going to be online and they're going to be using different types of technology tools. So I'm going to have the class be self-paced because I know that you all have other classes to focus on and I don't want to overwhelm you with activities or things like that. So it is going to be more self-paced, but there will be some more strict deadlines for you as well. So follow along with Google Classroom to know what to expect. I'm not going to have specific Zoom times for you guys to meet, but if you are confused about an assignment, you can email me and I can Zoom in and talk you through the assignment. So if you don't know what Zoom is, it's like a giant FaceTime where you can have a lot of people through a video conversation at one time. So I'm not going to have specific Zoom times, but again, if you are confused about something or if you want help on an assignment or a project, you can request to Zoom in with me and I will set a time with you to Zoom and talk more face-to-face. So our main project with STEM this semester, we're going to finish our coding projects, which were all of part 1. So that I'm just going to show you real quick. That's found on Google Classroom, and it was these 3, part 1, animate a name, part 1, create your own Google logo, and part 1, Gumball's Coding Adventure. So if you are already done with those and they're already turned in, then that's one project you're finished with for this semester. The second thing we're going to focus on is our Google Applications projects. So my goal for us is to become very Google apt with the rest of STEM. You're going to see Google for the rest of your lives through education as you finish your degree and as well as the workplace. So I want to show you some new Google tips and tricks and get you very Google fluent. So that's going to be one of our focus projects through STEM. And then also there'll be some weekly tech playing through experiments with Google. So I think you guys are really going to like this website. It's very, very cool. I'm just going to show you a little brief overview of what it looks like. So there are people who come up with experiments through Google, and they're basically a bunch of cool games and apps. So if you're curious, you can research experiments with Google, but I don't want you to get too carried away because this will be part of our assignments in STEM the rest of this semester. But it's really fun. That's kind of my goal, is to make STEM for the rest of the semester very applicable and to help you be successful in the rest of your classes since they're online. So that's all for STEM. How to keep up with online classes in general, make sure you're checking Google Classroom because this is my main source of communication. I'm sure it's going to be other teachers' main source of communication as well. Email me if you're confused or have questions. Email all your teachers. We're here to help you guys, not to overwhelm you. We know this is a really confusing and uncharted territory for all of us, so we're here to help you and encourage you to do your best for the remainder of the semester. Overall, don't get overwhelmed. Every day, try to make yourself a to-do list on things you need to get done that day and try to get them done so it doesn't carry over into the next day. So really focus on what's important to get done, but again, don't overwhelm yourself. Take breaks when needed. Try to have a good, enjoying environment when you're working on your classes. So I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you all and have a great day.